everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my nails right at home and how I turn my nails from this to this. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And with that note, let's get started with today's video. So to begin with, these are the products that you need. First, you need a scrub, next a nail buffer, and you also need some nail polishes, and these are the three ones that I am currently loving. You also need a nail clipper, and some warm water. To begin with, take some warm water in a bowl like this, and you also need a scrub. So today I am using this scrub. This is the body and face scrub. You can use any kind of scrub you want. You just take a nail polish remover like this and just remove the previous nail polish that you have already applied. When you are done removing all of the nail polish, then move on to scrubbing your hands. Take a little bit of warm water in a bowl, and you also need a scrub. So today I am using this scrub right here. This is a chocolate scrub. It can be used all over your body as well as your face. So today I am using this to scrub my hands. The hands has already started looking beautiful than before. Now it's time to keep the nails off and file it. Just keep on the nails as you like. For today I will be making a round shape. I usually go for a coffin shape, but today I'm feeling like making a round shape. You can do any shape you want. After you're done, you can just file your nails and buff it. At this point, you can easily scrap off your cuticles, but I don't do that. Your fingers may bleed sometimes, so that's why I just skip that step. But if you want, you can do it. Today I will be using this nail polish right here. This is from Color Bar and this is their matte collection. I absolutely love this color and it looks very rich on the hands. Now you just need this and a nail polish remover to remove the excess that is left on our skin. So this one is for Miniso and it has this beautiful sharp edge, so it is much easier to go near the cuticles. Just dip it in the nail polish remover and then you can go on the edges.